homemakers, welcome back to another monthly Costco haul. This month's Costco haul is going to be quite a bit different from my regular hauls. Last month we didn't end up using all the meat that we had out in our freezer, so we still have quite a bit, and I didn't have to spend that much on my meat budget this time around. So we ended up getting a little bit more prepared food and snacks. I have also recently completely changed my diet around, so this haul is going to be very healthy. I got a few things that are more convenient so I can still make a healthy choice when I'm short on time, and I'll get to that in a second. But before we dive in, I just wanted to say hello if you're new here. My name is Justine, and on my channel I'm all about joyful motherhood, natural living, and an orderly and peaceful home, and I'd love to have you be part of this journey with me. So please hit that red subscribe button down below and make sure the notification bell is on. And also, if you have any tips for shopping at Costco, or you have tried something recently that you absolutely love, please comment that down below. I love hearing what you guys are shopping for, and I'm always looking to try something new, so I'd love to hear from you. And if you like seeing videos like this, make sure to hit that like button. That lets me know to keep making them, and also helps the videos do so much better. So thank you so much for doing that, and now let's get into this haul. So here is everything I got at Costco. There's actually quite a bit more produce this time as well, but also a lot more boxed items, so we'll get through all of that. But I wanted to start with like the healthy stuff for me first. The first thing I got was kombucha, and if you've been following my cleaning videos, I've been talking about the diet changes I've been making, because for the last couple months I've had like no energy or motivation to do anything. This is one of the things I started changing in my diet. I drink kombucha like every day now, half of a bottle every day, and these are such a good price at Costco. There are 2 servings in each bottle. There are 6 bottles in each box, and it's $12, so they end up being $2 a piece, where they're at least $3 at Trader Joe's. I think they're like $4 at Whole Foods, so they're very expensive, but they're such a great price at Costco. I have not tried any of these flavors. That's why I only got one for the month, and this wasn't my favorite brand, but because it was such a great price, I decided to give the other flavors a try. So it's the organic Brew Dr. Kombucha, and it has these 3 flavors in it. This has been giving me tons of good clean energy, but also has been helping my gut, because I think a lot of my problems just originate from that. So I've been really focusing on that. Also, another thing I got as a recommendation from my sister is this Orgain 20 grams of protein plants-based shake. I tried one and they're really good. It's just good plant-based protein, and it has only 1 gram of sugar. I looked at the ingredients, and it has monk fruit, which is a really good sweetener for you, and then it has 10 organic fruits and veggies, and it is dairy free, and it's a really nice taste. They have the powder, which ends up being cheaper, and that was actually on sale right now, but I decided to try these first because I thought it might be a little more convenient, and I wanted to see if it was something I would actually drink. But next time around I might get the powder if this is something that works for me, to help me make healthier choices. So we will see. I also got the Chobani less sugar Greek yogurt again. It has only 9 grams of sugar in each thing. It is not organic, unfortunately, but it has really great all natural ingredients, and my kids love them, and I love that they have less sugar. Also, Greek yogurt is something that is really good for a healthy gut, so anytime I need to just eat something instead of grabbing like crackers or chips or, you know, something junky, I can grab this or a shake or a kombucha, and I'm hoping it will help me make better choices. For the kids, I got these because they were on sale for $8.99 for a pack of 42, which is a really great price. However, I still got a lot of snacks because this isn't something I give them every day. This is gonna last us more than a month, I think. What I give them for snacks are the applesauce, which Marcus really wanted this time around, and then the fig bars, which they really love, and I like giving these to them because they actually have fiber and real fruit and just good ingredients. There's no high fructose corn syrup, and they are plant-based, so just a lot of good stuff. And then the applesauce is organic. I also got mac and cheese. They are just on this mac and cheese kick right now. Whenever I ask them what they want for lunch or dinner, they always say mac and cheese, and 1 box seems to last us the whole month because we only have it every 2 or 3 days. I try to switch lunches up, so they really like it. They would have it every day if I let them. They really love it. So for produce this time, I got some bell peppers. I've just been craving these lately. They're so good in chilies and soups. And I wanted to put them in a sweet potato hash I made the other day, but I didn't have any, so I thought I would just grab some at Costco, and if I have to, I'll just chop them up and freeze them because Trader Joe's sells them frozen, so I think that I could just do that as well in a freezer bag. But it was such a great price. It was a 6-pack for like $8, so that's really good for red bell peppers or mixed colored bell peppers. Next, I also got some organic raspberries. Organic fruit was not a good price this time around. It must be not a good season for it, but I got it anyways because the kids are obsessed with raspberries right now, and I'd rather they be eating organic. This was $7.99, so really not that great of a price, but it is a big package, so that's good. The organic blueberries were a better price. This was $5.99, I think, for the package, and I want to be eating more berries too because they're just so good for you. I got some frozen vegetables as well. Our peas, which we get every time because my kids will always eat peas, so that's something I try to serve regularly to make sure they're getting some greens. I also got some broccoli florets. They're also organic. They come in like 4 different bags inside, which is nice because it kind of helps with like portioning it out. But I do want to make some Korean beef with this, with some broccoli and rice on the side. I have a lot of brown rice still from one of my last hauls. So that's going to be really good. And the kids will also eat this if it's chopped up with pasta that I want to make with sausage this month. That's also a favorite. I am still going to get fresh produce at Trader Joe's, but it's always such a great price to get the frozen organic vegetables. They're such a big thing and they're a really good price, and they're already prepared, so that makes it very convenient. For the dairy, I got our usual whole milk, which, like I said in my last video, it's about the same price as it is at Trader Joe's, so I get one when I'm there, but I don't stress about getting it about only getting it at Costco because it is a good price at Trader Joe's as well. And then I also got Daniel's regular 2% milk and then some unsalted sweet cream butter. We go through a lot of this in the winter time because there's a lot more baking taking place. And then I also got 1 thing of eggs because we still have another one in the fridge. A couple weeks ago I meal prepped. I just hard boiled about 12 eggs in my Instant Pot. It worked so well. It was so fast and easy, and they were cooked perfectly, and then we just had those throughout the week for snacks, to put in lunches, to put on salad, to chop up and put on salads. It was so great to have hard boiled eggs on hand. The last 2 things are meat. My regular organic ground beef. This is 4 pounds for $20, which is a good price for organic. However, it's not grass-fed, grass-finished beef, which I wish it was. So we still have some chicken in the freezer, chicken breasts, and then some frozen salmon fillets. So I'll be doing that this month. But I always try to get something a little bit more special because I feel like ground beef and chicken is like what we have most of the time. But I did get some pork loin tenderloin because it is 2 packages. I think they each have 2 tenderloins for $13.48, which is such a great price. It's not organic, but we can't always afford organic because it's just so expensive. But this will last for about 2.5 meals. And I have a recipe in one of my videos where I shared, we do roasted pork tenderloin with like a tarragon cream sauce, and it's so good. If I can find the video, I will link it down below. It's fairly recent, so I think you guys will be able to find it. And then the last thing we get at Costco is some toilet paper. Anyways, that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, it was quite different than my regular videos, but I hope you guys still got some inspiration from it. Once again, if you haven't already, make sure you hit that like button. It helps me out so much more than you know. And also leave me a comment down below letting me know what I should try next time I'm at Costco. I hope you're all having a wonderful day, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.